Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to download or install Bumble application on your mobile device. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up your App Store or your Play Store and bring up the search bar and type in Bumble and hit the search. Now over here you can see the Bumble dating application on your mobile device. Just click on that application. Now from over here you can install the application by clicking on install button. Scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the reviews. I am installing this application by clicking on install button. It might take a while to install depending upon your internet connection. Wait for it. See guys, your application has been installed. Now guys, enjoy this application by clicking on open button. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notification so you never miss the upload. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.